h of t equals to negative 16 t square positive b. The function h estimates an object's height in feet above the ground t seconds after the object is dropped, where b is a constant. The function estimates that the object is 3,364 feet above the ground when it is dropped at t equals to 0. Approximately how many seconds after being dropped does the function estimate the object will hit the ground? Now, let's consider a quadratic function in standard form, that is f of x equals to ax square positive bx positive c. Here, c is the constant. This constant represents the value of the function f of x when x equals to 0. That is the y-intercept of the function. Now, let's consider the given quadratic function standard form. The constant we have over here is b, which gives the y-intercept. That is, this is the value of h of t when t equals to 0. That means the initial height. According to the given information, the initial height is 3,364. So this is a value we have for h of t when t equals to 0. So this must be the value of b. So let's plug in this one for b over here. Then we get h of t equals to negative 16 t square positive 3,364. And our aim is to find the time when the object hits the ground. So when the object hits the ground, the height will be 0. That is, this h of t will be 0. Then we have 0 equals to negative 16 t square positive 3,364. Now in this equation, we have to solve for t. That gives a time when the object hits the ground. Let me add 16 t square to both sides of the equation. Then this negative value, positive value will cancel out. I am getting 16 t square equals to 3,364. Let me divide both sides of the equation by 16. When I do so, this 16 will cancel out. I am getting t square on the left side. On the right side, when I divide 3,364 by 16, I am getting 210.25. Now to solve for t, we have to get rid of the exponent 2. Let me take a square root on both sides of this equation. On the left side, the square root and square will cancel out. Whenever I take a square root on both sides of an equation, one of the square roots will cancel out. And for the other square root, we have to consider a positive or negative sign. But in this case, on the left side, we have t, that is time. Time cannot be negative. So we can consider only positive sign for this square root. Okay, here we have t. When I take square root for this one, I am getting 14.5. Here I got the time when the object is the ground, that is 14.5 seconds. We find this value 14.5 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.